speak English.
Yeah, but to be honest, your English is really good. I'm very, very surprised. You speak very good English. And I think the way to improve your English is continue practicing with your child. Watch more English TV series, listen to English music.
Uh,
If you don't like to read, that's okay. Watch English TV shows. I think my nanny. Hello, can you hear me?
yes. Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. How are you?
I am good, thanks. And what is your name?
My name is Sasikala.
And where are you from?
I am from India. What is your name?
My name is Kuvashna, and I am from South Africa.
Kuvashna.
Yes. And which state in India are you from?
I am from Andhra Pradesh state.
Okay, nice. And that is in the north of India, correct?
No, no, south part of India.
You are in the south part. Okay. And what do you do in India? Are you working or are you studying? What do you do?
I am a housewife.
Nice. You're very lucky.
Yes.
So
I have
you,
one baby.
oh, and how old is the baby?
She's 3 years old now.
3 years old, okay. And since you are at home as a housewife, why do you want to learn how to speak English? Because I'm sure everyone, your neighbors, they are all speaking the local language.
Yes, you are right. But I want to improve my English for my studies in USA, MS,
Wow,
master's degrees. But
nice.
it's possible now.
So you are still planning to study further.
Yes.
This is great. This
I,
is very
yes.
nice.
Yes, I can understand English, but I cannot
Mhm.
speak well.
Yeah. And what about your
Okay.
husband? Is he working or is he still studying?
No, he is a foster here. We have church.
Okay, that's really nice. And how does he feel about you wanting to study in the USA? How does he feel about this?
He feel very happy.
So he's very supportive of you wanting to study.
Yes, yes, you are right.
Yeah. And did you ever think about wanting to do some studies in India, maybe one of the universities in India? Do you ever think about that?
No, I completed my engineering here.
Okay. Mhm.
So after my studies, I want to go USA.
And do you think it's difficult to study and to work when you are having a 3-year old at home? Do you think it's very
Yes,
difficult?
yes, yes. Now, yes, it's difficult time right now. But I have dream and I have aim to go abroad.
Nice.
So
Yeah.
that's why I am learning English and also practice English with my baby. I teach her.
Nice. And that is, I'm so happy to hear this because when children are young, when they are 3, 4 years old, that is when they learn to speak languages even faster than we can learn to speak languages. So this is very nice that you are teaching baby from a young age to speak
Yes,
English. Mhm.
yes, you are right.
And do you get any help with taking care of baby, maybe from your parents or from your in-laws or from the nanny? Do you get any help?
No, no one here with me. Only I
Shame.
have myself.
Yeah. And where is your parents? Are they living near to where you live with your husband?
No, they are not near to me.
Okay. Yeah. And what about your in-laws? Are they also living in a different city?
No, they are post heaven.
They've passed away. Mhm.
Yes.
Yeah. And how often do you go and visit your parents?
What?
How often do you visit your parents? When do you get to see them, to visit them?
When last time you asked me,
Yes, yes.
yes. They came here last 2 days back. They are
Okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Yeah. And do you have any other brothers and sisters?
yeah, I have one brother.
Is he older than you or younger?
Is and
He's younger. And is he married also with family?
no, is still working.
He's still working. That's nice. Yeah. And
Okay.
you mentioned,
Oh, about you,
yes.
yeah. Do what is your doing in South Africa? You are
Yeah.
living in a
So
city or village.
Mm. So I'm living in a big city called Johannesburg, and I work as a pharmacist. So I work in a big
Oh,
hospital in the city as a pharmacist.
oh,
And right now, I am also studying my master's degree as well in pharmacy. Yeah, so it's very nice. I like hearing saying that they want to study. I think this is very nice for their
yes,
future. Yeah.
yes, you are right.
And your husband is working as a pastor in the church.
Yes, you are right.
Mhm. And besides working as a pastor, is he doing any other job or is he in the church every day?
No, you don't do any job. Only in
Mhm.
the church.
Mhm. Yeah.
He work
Mhm.
in church. He
Yeah.
preach every
Yeah.
day.
Every day. Yeah.
Yes,
And your family, your parents and your brother, are they also Christian?
yes, you are right.
That's very nice. Yeah. And in India, would you say that there is a lot of Christian people, or is majority of the population mostly Hindu or Buddhist, or would you say they are mostly Christian?
Hindus.
Mostly Hindus.
Yes. Do you know about India? I think you are in Indian
Yes,
member. Yes.
yes. My family is Indian. Yes.
Oh, from
Um, my grandparents are from India.
oh,
They come from north of India, from Rajasthan, and
oh,
my grandparents moved here to South Africa. So even my parents, they were born in South Africa,
oh,
and yeah, I have one older brother, and we were also born in South Africa. So this is like our home. I have never traveled to India, but my grandparents, they still travel. My parents, they have traveled 2 or 3 times, but I have not gone to Rajasthan as yet to see where exactly is the family coming from.
oh,
Um, Maybe in future, I would like to travel to the north of India just to see where is the family coming from. Yeah.
you have interest to go
Uh,
Rajasthan?
n- Not really. I think my interest is mostly I would like to go to the US as well to further my studies for a
Oh,
better career. I think I'm more interested in going there. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Since
And
how many months you are working in Cambly?
Yeah, so I have been working on Cambly for about 1 year now. I started working on Cambly um, when the COVID pandemic started. So, because of the COVID pandemic, I wasn't going to work so much. Um, and I was staying at home and I was thinking I need to do something. So, because I'm studying my master's degree, sometimes I am doing lecturing, teaching at the university also for certain subjects as a guest. Sometimes they call me. So I decided, since I like teaching, let me see if I can do some teaching online also. And I just found Cambly, and they took me on to be English teacher.
Okay.
And yeah, so far I like it. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, you meet so many peoples from different countries.
Yes, you meet so many people from different countries. I have met even so many Indian people who are living in different countries: Europe, Canada,
Yeah,
USA. And we are all Indian, but so different. So it's very nice to speak with different people. Yeah. Mm.
yes. Have interest
And
to meet new people.
yes, if you have an interest for meeting new people, then Cambly is very nice. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
And do you ever like travel to different parts of India? Do you ever visit, like, have you ever traveled to north of India before?
No, no, no. But I have interest to go north part
Mhm.
of India.
Yeah. And would you say that the north part of India is very different from the south, or do you think they are
Yeah.
very similar?
No, no, it is not similar. It is quite different.
Mm. Mm. Is the language also very different?
Yes. Most
Yeah.
of the North Indian peoples are speak Hindi.
Okay. Mm.
Yeah. Do you know about Hindi? I think your grandparents they know.
Yeah, we still speak Hindi. My grandparents, they only speak Hindi. They speak very little English. So the only time we get to speak Hindi is when we go visit our grandparents, because there's no one else to practice speaking Hindi with. Everyone here speaks English. So whenever I visit my grandparents, if I have to speak to them, it has to be in Hindi because their English is not so good. So that's the only reason why we still know how to speak Hindi and understand it. Yeah.
Do you speak Hindi very well?
Um, I wouldn't say very well because I don't get to practice it
Yeah.
often. But I can understand it when my grandmother is speaking to me. I can understand everything she is saying. And it's the same with them. They can understand English, but they can't speak it. So she will speak to me in Hindi. I will understand. I will respond in English. She can understand, but she will respond in Hindi.
Okay,
So
I understand.
the communication is like that. Yeah.
They are living with you, with your family.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
So my dad's parents, they are living with us, and my mother's parents, they are living with her brother. She has an older brother, and they are living with him.
oh,
So, yeah, so we grew up living with our grandparents. It's just that recently they wanted to have their own home. So now they are living just down the road from me, not very far. Yeah, they just
oh,
wanted to have their own space. So now they are living just down the road from my house. Yeah.
yeah. Okay,
And
I ask you one question.
mhm.
To how to become fluent to speak English?
Yeah, but to be honest, your English is really good. I'm very, very surprised. You speak very good English. And I think the way to improve your English is continue practicing with your child. Watch more English TV series, listen to English music.
Uh,
If you don't like to read, that's okay. Watch English TV shows. I think my nani, my grandmother, she's learning to speak English from watching Netflix every
yeah.
day.
Oh,
So that is how she's now learning to speak English. So, and I think that is the best way is to watch English TV shows and listen to English music, and you will pick
uh,
up new words and you will learn the accent also.
okay.
Yeah.